Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are planting up our Supertunia Safron Finch. We're putting it in this container. This is our Canna lily along with our Supertunia Persimmon. This is not a vista, but look how vigorous it is. I have one here and the second over there, and I'm going to add my Supertunia Safron Finch. This is not a vista either, so I'm going to get this planted in here. Currently I have my Lobellaria in. I'm going to take it out because you see how much shorter it is in comparison to the other one. So that pot over there, it got swallowed up, it's gone. So I'm going to take this out and put it somewhere else in the garden because it's not compatible with these growth patterns here. So our Safron Finch is going in this container. If you saw my video yesterday where I did the purple container update, one thing that I mentioned was I didn't like having to wait, because when did I plant it? In February. We're in April now, and I planted these containers back in February. That's March, April, 2 months later, and I'm just now getting these. So I'm not going to wait so far in between. I think the longest I'll probably wait is like 2 weeks, because look how small this is. It's going to be a bit behind versus the other one that's already established. I'll keep an eye on it and see how long it takes, if it's going to fill out, and with these already matured, well established plants in comparison to that. So I don't like that. I wish I would have gotten it sooner so it can grow together and blend better. But like I said yesterday, this is the container recipe that I had in mind. That's what I wanted to do, and because I'm stubborn, I'm going to stick with it and still put it in there because I waited this long, so why not? Now we had some tornado type winds. There's some tornado watch going on, so the top of these broke off, so this is why they look all flopping over. Let me just get this off to help it out. So the top flopped over. It was very windy, and I'm in Florida, so we do get a lot of hurricane strength winds, tornado strength winds. So that's one of the challenges my plants face in my garden, is the windy conditions, heavy rain and hurricanes. And also the heat, can't forget the heat. So we're gonna get started by taking this out. Since I had them planted one on this side, one on that side, I'm gonna plant this in the front and this in the back. So it's gonna be like this. But the petals itself, they are so beautiful. And it, like I said, it has a yellow in the middle. So I think it's gonna be a perfect complement, plus the yellow up top. I kinda wanted some white to mix in with it, but it's not looking the way I want it to look. And I don't know if I should leave it because it looks like it's trailing over, but I have a feeling, I can tell by the way they're growing, it's going to go over. And like I said, the other one got swallowed up, so it's not going to work. All right, so let's get these planted in. All the birdies are out. So I'm going to take the Lobellaria out, and I'm going to put it in my lantana container that I have going on. There's some space in there. I may run into the same issue again later, but we'll see. So let's take this out. And my roots are not deep, so that's good. So I got the Lobellaria out. And where is my biotin? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna get some biotin in there. I'm just gonna mix it in. And then we're just gonna pop this right here. This is perfect. And I need some more potting soil. Since I took the other plant out, the soil went with it, so I'm gonna get some potting soil. All right, so I got my potting soil. Let me show you the plant tag. And it is an annual except zones 10A through 11B. Those of you guys in zones 10A and 11B, you guys are doing great with these annuals coming back. I'm gonna try and keep some of them and see if they overwinter. I think it depends on how cold we get. If it gets too cold, they won't survive. There we go. And then put that one there, and we're gonna fill it up with the potting soil. And another thing I mentioned in my other video is the size difference. This is a 2.5 quart container. This is a guy from Hagen Ace, and these are $6.99 versus this is when I got online. It's a 1 quart container for $9.99. But even though they fit easier in the plants, in the pots, these are actually 2.5 quarts, so they're a lot larger. You get more bang for your money. You get larger plants for a cheaper price, but the compatibility is a bit different. So I'll keep an eye on that. Let me do the back side. I'll take you around so you can see the back side of it. Like I said, the prettiest side is right here, but I'll leave it that way because then the yellow is going to come in and it's going to be separated. So that will be good. So I did the same thing. I added some biotone in the hole, and now we're just going to get my Supertunia Safron Finch. Here you go, one that's coming up. It's not open yet. Almost there. Beautiful. And it's not dried out. I've been watering it to keep it hydrated. So put that in there. I'm gonna get my soil to backfill it. Oh, look, a ladybug. It's an orange. It's not even red and black. It's orange and black. Pretty. So I just watered in my new plants. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other container. Look how beautiful that is. All right, so here's one that has a yellow on it. So imagine a whole bunch of these next to my persimmons. Look at that. They have the yellow in the center. So I think this is going to bring the yellow out more. Like even the yellow Canna lily up there, it's not as dominant as I hope. I see some more bracts are coming in, or I'm not sure what they're called. New stems are coming in. But, oh, so beautiful. All right, so let me go ahead and, but oh my gosh, look how full it is. And let me do a comparison so you can see what it looked like when I first got it to where it is now. Like, that's a lot of growth. And this is not even a Vista, guys. This is a regular Supertunia from Proven Winners. But yeah, the growth on it is very vigorous. Let me show you where the lobellaria is that got swallowed up. So this is a side, and this is where the lobellaria is. Like, it's went over it, and yeah, it's gone. So I'm gonna take this out and put in the other container as well. See if I can rescue it. It's not fully dead, but it's on its way out to being suffocated. Got it. So I dug the hole, got my biotone in. Just gonna pop this one in. There we go. And cross our fingers and hope it doesn't get swallowed up. So I'm a beginner gardener, guys, so there's a lot of mistakes being made on my journey, and hopefully you can learn from them. Like, I will show you what's making it, what's not making it, what I learned, because some of these mistakes are expensive mistakes. So in this case, we just have a compatibility issue in terms of size, and that's my concern. And like I said, I'll keep you guys updated so you can see how it turns out. I'll link an updated video to this one once It's available, it's probably like a month or two. I'll link another video to show the updated version. Just like how I'm doing now, this is a container update. My spring container update. So there you go. It's gonna be filling up here, hopefully. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. But yeah, like I said, it's compatibility issues. Those are a lot bigger than this one I'm putting in, so we'll see. So I did the same thing on the other side. I just popped that one in over there. It was a bit harder to get to, so I just popped it in really quick. But look, this is planted over here and it's already spread all the way here. So that's a vigorous spread, guys. And the reason why it looks a bit wonky because I had this container on a planter and it kept getting knocked over by the wind. So I just took it off. So they're gonna trail on the ground. Just trying not to have it do it, but it is what it is.